Hi, my name is Diana Carolina Ospina Cruz. Can you imagine swimming in the most beautiful rice in Colombia, navigating a reservoir in the middle of the mountain and canoeing the second highest dam in the world, surrounded by the clear waters on the Manso River? All of the above accompanied by local guides what will embark you on the memorable experience. How the experiment plan scheme to repeat those experience viewing reservoirs, rives and waterfalls, in addition to layer cultural, gastronomic and landscape exchange in a rural and social form in the surroundings of the municipality of Norcasia Caldas. Plan tonight 3 days country accommodation. We have a program that starts in the of the most important river banks in our territory. This is the River Lamiel, a river regulated and controlled by the generation of electrical energy, which allows us not only to navigate, but also swimming in a different fun and the sad way, accompanied by can be with an outboard motor, light jack, and a great team that will facilitate your entire experience in the time you will see a rural and community tourist. If the ride is high, you will embark 7.5 kilometers on body rafting to make a possible sighting of how monkeys and in the river is small. You will go under 2 kilometers to see the waterfall to the sky and the canyon on the Lamiel River. In itinerary, day 1 check-in 2 p.m. installation in the accommodation. We navigate the Amani Resort, visit to Quebrada Las Pavas, snacks, visit to the waypoint in the Amani Reserve, diners, day 2 breakfast, visit Rio La Miel, induction and preparation for Rio La Miel experience, snack, River La Miel body rafting experience, lounge, return by boat on the River La Miel, visit La Clara waterfall, snack, diners. Day 3 breakfast, visit to the Manso River, snacks, lounge, check out to Oilog. Means of transport: we have through land transportation and river transportation. Accommodation: house accommodation is in the rural area of the municipality. The rooms are independent multiple equipped with double and semi-double bed, independent bathroom, TV, basic have fun. Thank you.